Welcome to the installation video for the soft close door mounted single and double wood waste containers. Before we begin, you will need the following tools. In your box, you will find the following parts: wood frame, slide set, truss head screws, flat head screws, slide triggers, pins, and a divider. Fasten the slide triggers to the bottom of the frame using the 6 by 1/2 inch flat head screws. Center the slide assembly and set back so the bottom strap is 3/4 of an inch back from the front of the cabinet. Secure to the cabinet floor with the number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. Engage the wood frame onto the slide set. You should hear a distinct click. Loosen the lock nuts inside the front wall of the unit to adjust the brackets horizontally. Make sure the door brackets are lined up with the thick portion of the cabinet door. Measure the distance from the bottom edge of the opening to the slotted holes. Record each measurement. Measure the cabinet opening and then measure the door size. Take the difference of these two numbers and divide it by 2. This number is the door overlay or inset gap. Our door is larger than the cabinet opening, so we would subtract the cabinet opening from the door height. Divide that number by 2 and you will get your overlay dimension. Add the door overlay to the recorded dimensions marked earlier. If the door is smaller than the cabinet opening, subtract the door from the cabinet opening and divide that number by 2. That will be your inset gap. Subtract the inset gap from those same dimensions. Mark the screw locations to the center of the thick portion of the door. Pre-drill the pilot holes. Attach the door with 4 of the 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Minor adjustments like skew and tilt can be made on the bracket mounting bolts. Insert the pins into the pre-drilled holes in the sides of the drawer. Place the divider on top of the inserted pins. Depending upon your model, the pins and wood divider may be configured slightly different. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.